Are you a reforestation project developer? Are you looking to generate trustworthy carbon credits with a fully automated MRV process? The MRV process involves going on site and manually measuring everything such as height, diameter, number of trees, and more. This costs around $320,000 for 1,000 hectares of land for just a sample MRV. Current challenges include choosing process and manual measuring, forest animals, dense vegetation, and a large area to cover, need for a large team, and a time-taking process. Here's everything you need to collect to generate a carbon credit. Here, we introduce the CarbonCore drone-based digital MRV process. CarbonCore is a KrypC-developed blockchain-based end-to-end digital workflow solution for complete carbon project management, digital MRV, and tokenization of carbon credit aided by the Hedera Guardian platform. Now, let's take a look at drones for reforestation. Using LiDAR sensors, drones take multiple images which will be analyzed and provide captured data to make informed, results-based decisions. Here we see the new MRV process that is automated and more in-depth. Why drones? Drones have a lower carbon footprint, improved aerial surveillance, helps identify carbon stock, just to list a few. All this for half the cost while also generating carbon credit. The data generated through drones will get recorded in the Hedera Guardian network to make it trustworthy and reliable. Are you ready to sign up today? CarbonCore. Carbon made simple.